when I'm healing the sick, when I'm healing the sick. Ain't got time to die, 'cause it takes all of my time. It takes all of my time. If I don't praise Him, the rocks gonna cry out, glory and honor, glory and honor. Ain't got time, Lord. I keep so busy working for the kingdom. Keep so busy working for the kingdom. Keep so busy working for the kingdom. Ain't got time, because when I'm feeding the poor, oh, when I'm feeding the poor, oh, when I'm feeding the poor, ain't got time, because it takes all of my time. It takes all of my time. If I don't praise Him, the rocks gonna cry out, glory and honor, glory and honor. Ain't got time. Lord, I keep so busy serving my pastor. Keep so busy serving my pastor. Keep so busy serving my pastor. Time, 'cause when I'm giving my all, when I'm giving my all, when I'm giving my all, ain't got time, 'cause it takes all of my time. It takes all of my time. If I don't praise Him, the rocks gonna cry out, glory and honor, glory and honor. Ain't got time. I want to get out of my way. You get out of my way. If I don't praise Him, the rocks gonna cry out, glory and honor, glory and honor. Ain't got
Tuwapigie makofi tafadhali. Thank you very much. Taomba tafadhali tuweze kuondoka sasa tukitarajia kumpokea Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya. I'll request that we can now exit the stage kindly so that we'll receive him shortly. We'll be starting our program very, very briefly as soon as His Excellency is here in just a few minutes. Let us all rise. Sote tusimame tukimkaribisha Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya. Taweza tukamkaribisha kwa shangwe na vigelegele. Basi ndio huyo rais akiingia, wakiwa wameambatana moja kwa moja na gavana wa Homa Bay, Mheshimiwa Gladys Wanga. Karibuni sana. Karibu, karibu. Naomba tubaki tumesimama ili tuweze kuanza na wimbo wa taifa. So I'll request that we all remain standing. We'll start with the national anthem, followed by the East African anthem before we proceed with the rest of the program. So kindly, if there's anybody who is seated, I request that we all be upstanding as we start with the anthem. I'll request that all the photographers and media in front, kindly let's clear so that we may begin with the national anthem in just a second. Let us begin with the national anthem.